Hello, friends, and welcome to everyone. Today, I will talk about agriculture technology. Modern farms and agriculture operations work far differently than those a few decades ago, primarily because of advancement in technology, including sensors, devices, machines, and information technology. Today's agriculture routinely uses sophisticated technologies such as robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images, and GPS technology. These advanced devices and precision agriculture and robotic system allow businesses to be more profitable, efficient, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Future of technology agriculture. Farmers no longer have to apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides uniformly across entire field. Instead, they can use the minimum quantities required and target very specific areas or even treat individual plant differently. Benefits include higher crop productivity, decreased use of water, fertilizer, and pesticides, which in turn keeps food prices down. Reduced impact on natural ecosystem, less runoff chemicals into rivers and groundwater, increased worker safety. In addition, robotic technologies enable more reliable monitoring and management of natural resources such as air and water quality. It also gives producers greater control over plant and animal production, processing, distribution, and storage, which result in greater efficiency and lower prices, safer growing conditions, and safer food, reduce environmental and ecological impact. NIFA'S Impact. NIFA advances agriculture technology and ensures that the nation's agricultural industries are able to utilize it by supporting basic research and development in physical sciences, engineering, and computer sciences, development of agriculture devices, sensors, and systems, applied research that assesses how to employ technologies economically and with minimal disruption to existing practices, assistance and instructions to farmers on how to use new technologies. The report shows that nearly half or 49% of farms in the US use a desktop or laptop computer to conduct farm business. Computer usage for farm business ranges from 30% in New Mexico to 72% in Colorado. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.